Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, a different picture here compared to what we're seeing on the DAX and the S&P, and that is range bar confusion in a fairly volatile zone. But the difference here is that that volatility is above this level of 32,900, 32,917. If we just pay attention to the monthly, there's our monthly level. We didn't quite test it, not as clear cut as what we're seeing on the other indexes. And if we drop down to the weekly, you can see the absolute chaos. It's not going to draw all these levels in, but there's definitely chaos here. Look at my oscillators, group to the downside. There is divergence from the swing low. Do that, you'll see oscillator dropping below this level, whereas price is higher. And then look at the price action that's forming now off the 150 inside bar. Okay, looking left, it doesn't tell us anything, it's just pure chaos. So when we get down to the 3 hour, while you smash the like button, don't forget to smash that like button, bottom right corner there, somewhere in this region. Always a good thing to help us out. Have a look at the 3 hour here. We started off the week with a fairly decent move to the upside, and then big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. We do have a pin bar off this level, which is this 8 hour level right here. Just fine tune it, and I'm going to add another one in because it is quite important. There's a pin bar there, and you can see that is the support zone that we have at the moment. Now, looking at the levels that we are interested in, day before yesterday, one-way traffic, and then yesterday, big up, big down, big up. So this is a retest of the moving averages. Now we're just hovering here on the 150 EMA. So big triangle forming, and this is typical for non-farm payrolls. To be quite honest, I don't think you want to be looking for a short at the moment, but I also am very, very cautious looking for longs. So I'm just going to bring this pin bar here into play. Now if you look closely, you will see a shoulder, you will see a head, and you'll see a right shoulder that is forming. So recapturing 33,113 would validate this picture, and then I'd be looking for a move to the upside. However, we've got this massive weekly gap still open. So you could argue, draw a line along the bottom here, draw a line along the top, go zoom out to a 8 hour chart, and you have a flag. V reversals are rare, keep that in the back of your mind. And then this swing low to that swing low, we have a potential double bottom there. Nothing concrete. For this to be a double bottom, we'd have to recapture that level there, which is going to be 33,300. So I suspect we are going to be sitting around waiting for the Feds. Now, if you look at what happened yesterday, big rejection here, come back to find support down here, and then grind higher. So those are your two lines in the sand, which is 32,844 and 33,113. So for me, I'm not confident that we're going to be doing anything with this instrument today. There's still some earnings to come out. We've got the Feds today, and then we've got non-farm payrolls at the end of the week. So I suspect more of the same. I expect more of what we're seeing today happening. If we do start breaking these, the highs and lows of yesterday, that basically takes out the range bar. I don't think the daily was a range bar though. Well, it was, okay. The daily was a bit of a range bar. So start taking out those levels, that's going to give us a different direction. But this is a fairly bullish setup here. This is looking like a bit of a reversal in a bear trend. But as I'm saying, we'd have to get above this structure here, which is 34,164 for the trend to have reversed. So yeah, be cautious. I think that's the moral of the story today. I don't think there's anything worth trading here. The DAX has got some setups which may be interesting, and the S&P's also got a bit more of a solid setup than what I'm seeing here. So I'd rather trade there than risk my money here. Okay. Anyway, that's kind of my view. I'm sitting on my hands with this, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.